Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a blank name on TikTok. To get a blank name on TikTok, the process is quick and easy. First, open your preferred browser, whether Chrome or Safari, and search for blank character. Look for a site like Compart that provides the Unicode Braille pattern blank. Press and hold the small empty square to copy it. Next, open TikTok. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile. In the name field, paste a copied character. You'll notice it shows as 1 over 30 characters used. Save your changes and confirm, noting that you won't be able to change your name again for 7 days. That's it. You now have a completely blank TikTok name. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.